Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the itel Storm Ultra smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to explore the world of watch faces for the Storm Ultra, and at the same time, we are going to download an additional watch face for the smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, we do have the dial center, so we will explore the dial center, download an additional watch face, and let's check if there's a custom watch face for our smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the downloading of watch faces, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin and explore the available watch face for our itel Storm Ultra smartwatch. So here are the list of preloaded watch faces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have at least 8. So I'm looking here on the box. So let's check this one. Is it available here? Okay. Is this the watch face? No. Okay, oh, we have it here. Okay, so this is the default watch face. Okay, so this is the itel O23, the Storm Ultra smartwatch. So far, it looks much better than the O15. Okay, and it is preloaded with several watch faces already. Not just 3, not just 4, but more than 5 watch faces. Okay, now that we are done with the watch face section, let's check first the display option for the wearable. Let's go to the settings. The settings includes display option here. We do have the brightness, the sleep. We have the watch face section. Go back. We have the menu view. So these are the list of menus. Menu style. Okay. And now let's proceed to the watch face section. Go to the dial center. So we have here several categories: personalized wallpapers, sports, art fonts, digital clocks, and pointers. So we will focus more on the, I think this is the custom watch face. We'll focus more on the sports. Let's check. So here are the watch faces. I like this one. Okay. Then let's check on the art fonts. Only limited watch faces for the art fonts. Digital clocks. Okay. Then pointers. These are the analog watch faces. Okay, so we have several options here for the analog. Okay, going back to the sports section, let's have a download. We'll try this one. I like this. Classic. Then let's tap on this one. Okay, so we don't have the size here. Please do not exit this page when downloading or applying. So tap on download. Then downloaded, apply. So let's wait for it. We do have here a progress bar and our smartwatch. As you can see here, switch to download mode. Okay, that was fast. Very good so far. And very fast download for the watch face section. Let's see if we do have an additional watch face. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we already have 9. Let's have this one also. Then download. Downloaded, apply. And in just a few seconds, we'll have our new watch face. Remember, we do have a 9 watch face already. Nice. This is beautiful also. Like the color. Very bright and sharp text so far. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we only have 9. Okay, as you can see, you can only download one watch face at a time. Our previously downloaded watch face has been overwritten. It has been overwritten by the new watch face. Okay, so that is disappointing. You cannot store watch faces. Let's see here on the mine section. Okay, but you have the record here. So if you want to use, let's see, and apply. Okay, you don't need to download it anymore. Just go into the support app and apply. Okay, so at least we do have this feature. Okay, but you cannot store a lot of watch faces here on the smartwatch. You can only store it here on the support app. Then we do have here a custom dial or a custom watch face. Let's tap on it. Let's have the permission for our gallery. Allow it. Do have here the albums. Then let's select this one. Okay, we have a beautiful flower here. Then check the font color. It's okay, I think. Then set to the current dial. Then our smartwatch here, switch to download mode, as you can see. So let's wait for it to finish downloading and we'll have our custom watch face. Let's wait. And as you can see, we have successfully set this smartwatch, okay, with our own watch face or wallpaper, as they say. Okay. Okay, so that's it. And as you can see here, you can add or download from the watch face gallery, plus you can have your own watch face. So we already have at least 10. Again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 9. Can only have 9 again. I guess maybe the other one has been overwritten. I'm not sure. I will check it again. Okay, but so far no issues when it comes to downloading watch faces, as you can see here. So mine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We only have 9 here. Okay, so that's it for the section for downloading watch faces for our ITEL O23 smartwatch. And so far it has a good list of watch faces. Not that much, but I think it's okay. Then if you have any questions regarding the ITEL O15 smartwatch, the Storm Ultra, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.